So, hi everyone, and today we are going to solve this LeetCode daily challenge, course schedule 4. In this problem, we are given prerequisites like for doing BI course, you want to first do the AI course. Okay, so such type of prerequisites array is given to you, and you are given queries uh, like if uj comma vj is possible, which means like we can do we can do that. This queries is for indirect connection. Like for doing vj, do you need to do uj as well? So yes, you need to return true if you need to do that, and if you don't, then you need to return false. I'll explain it again. Like if you have in prerequisites, if you have 0 comma 1, it means that for doing course 1 you need to first finish course 0. So this means there will be an edge from 0 to 1. Okay, and it is important to go to reach 1, you need to do 0 first. Okay, and then for queries array, it is saying that is it necessary for doing this, uh, like this is an indirect correction. Like if 0 comma 1 is present in queries array, it means that there can be other edges in between as well. Like from 0 there can be 2, then from 2 there can be 3, then from 3 we can reach 1, something like that. So do you need to do 0 uh, to do 1? That is the question it is asking. So if there is a path from 0 to 1, then yes, you need to do it. Like 0 is a prerequisite, indirect prerequisite, and if there is no edge, then you don't need to do it. So you can answer false in that case. You don't need to do 0 in order to do 1. So yes, what's the solution which I came up with is like you can, since the constraints are very small, this num courses is very small, it is just 100 only. So what you can do, like for each pair of vertices you can find what is the distance in between them. And if the distance is infinity, which means that if the distance between u and v is infinity, that means v is not reachable from u. Okay, so this means u is not a prerequisite for v. So in that case answer will be false. And if there is some distance, like if distance is not infinity, then there's a path from u to v, which means that u is a prerequisite for v. So for calculating this, this is basically a problem called all pair shortest path. So we can use the Floyd-Warshall algorithm, and yes, with that we can get the solution. So you can first uh, yeah, you can create a distance vector. It will show the distance between u and v. Something like this will be there. And you can also have I think this is enough for, yeah, you can go through this edge, each edge in prerequisites, and like u edge will be 0 and v will be 1, and you can say that dist of u comma v is equal to 1. You can also say dist of u comma u is equal to dist of v comma v, and it's also equal to 0, something like this. So you have the basic distances. Now you can traverse, now you can calculate all pair shortest path. So you can go through an article of Floyd-Warshall algorithm, and it is pretty easy. So yeah. So now you can say that dist of ij is equal to maximum of dist of ij comma dist of I to k plus dist of k to j, and with this you will have all pair shortest path. Now you can have a vector answer which is of query size, and you can calculate the size of queries, and you can have this. Then you can take the queries and you can populate the answer vector. Like if dist of u to v is not equal to infinity, then it's false, then it's true, and if it is equal to infinity, then it's false. And finally you can return the answer vector. You can define infinity as well. So something like this. Could we have a compilation error? Why? Okay. I'm having runtime error. Why am I having runtime error? I to j k. Okay, sorry. This will be minimum distance. I don't think so. It should create a problem. Okay. Okay, integer overflow was occurring because I was taking maximum. So yeah. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it, and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to receive any notifications. Thank you.